갑자기 내게 나타나준 너, 난 아무 말도 할 수가 없었지. 첫눈에 반한다는 이야기가 널 보는 순간 이해가 됐어. 매번 야야야야야 불러 널 야야야야, 내 맘을 고백하려고 타이밍만 보는 나. 그런 나를 넌 보며 왜 그러냐고 묻네. 너 때문에 I'm going crazy. I'm going crazy. 무뎌져 버린 내 가슴이 뛰어.
Lovers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Diva Secret Organic. And guys, if today is your first time of tuning into my YouTube channel, you are highly welcome. And to my old subscribers, thank you guys, and thanks for always watching, and thanks for always being here with me. So guys, today I have these two cream that I'm going to make a review on. So but before then, let's address this issue. Yes, big issue. So guys, I opened my another new YouTube channel recently. Yes, and I have been saying it, and I have been begging you guys to go and support that YouTube channel. Yes, even if you don't even want to subscribe because of me, but subscribe because of what you are going to be learning there and what you are going to be getting there. Because there I'm doing some little DIYs that I am not going to bring to this very channel. And there I do makeup. Yes, when it comes to makeup, I'm a pro. And also when it comes to hair, I'm a pro. I do hair tips, I make hair reviews, I do vlogging, I cook. Yes, and there you get to know me well, you get to know about my life, you get to know about my hobby, yeah, hobbies, and you get to know about my man, everything about me. So I have been saying it that you guys should go and support me there, and really guys, you guys did not support me there. It's not good. It's not good. It's not fair. Please support your girl. I'm here doing some things, you know, doing some research, making some formulations for you guys. And each time you ask me question, I'm always here to respond. So the least you can do for me is to go and subscribe to my other new YouTube channel. Yes, please go and support me there. It's everything Diva's Vlog. I'm going to leave the link below this description box. So click on the link and it will take you to that YouTube channel, and it's also on this screen. It's everything Diva's Vlog. So guys, go and support me there. I have just 170 subscribers, and here I have almost 4,000 subscribers. Please guys, we can still shift ourselves to that side. Please, if you know you love me, if you know you love my work, like you always say, thanks, I love your work, please also go and subscribe to that new YouTube channel, so that I will have more zeal, I will have more courage to always upload videos there. And there I'm going to be talking about how you can make money at home. I'm going to be talking about how you can start your own business. If you want to start your own skincare line, I'm going to be putting you through. If you want to open your own new YouTube channel, I'm going to put you through. So there I do everything. I'm going to talk more about business also. I'm going to talk more about how you can start if you want to start to make your own skincare product, if you want to have your own brand. Yes, if you want to have your own brand. So I talk everything there. So please go and subscribe there. And please guys, after subscribing, make sure to turn on that notification bell so that you will be getting every upload from me. Yes, and there I will be doing more of reviews. So guys, thank you, and I know that you are going to support me there. So we are talking about these two cream. Yes, these two cream. So they are both spots remover cream, and this is for daytime, and also this is for daytime. So they both work well. Yes, they can help you to clear out your dark spots. So let me talk about this one first. So this is going to help to clear out your dark spots if you're battling with dark spots. And this cream is pure organic. This cream is made in France. It's pure organic, but it is still very, very effective. Yes, this cream is very effective. So it's going to, this is it, it's going to remove your dark spot. So I have used this cream before I started making my own product, and it works very well for me. Yes, it works very well for me. It will help you to clear out your dark spots without bleaching your skin, without giving you white patches. So you can use this cream at daytime. So it's called Intense Toning Treatment, and as you are removing the dark spot, it's also going to tone your skin. It's a spot remover day cream. So after you must have taken your shower at daytime, yes, you apply this first before you add your normal facial moisturizer or your facial cream. So you apply this before you apply your normal facial moisturizer. And if you want to use this at night, then you can just apply this just at night, and you can apply your night oil if you have night oil to apply, because this cream is so drying to the skin. Yes, there's no oil in here. They add oil. Is made with carrot oil and argan oil, but you will not see the effects of the oil on top of your skin. The oil is not going to rest on your skin. So if you have your normal oil, your facial oil, then you can use it to massage your face after you must have applied this. And guys, I bet you under 7 days you are going to see results. Yes, I have tried this before. This is a France cream. It's called Extreme White Intense Toning Treatment. Yeah, Extreme White Intense Toning Treatment, and it has sun protection also. Yes, it has 30. Yes, you can see it. Sun protection 30. So you can even use it at daytime. So when I was using it, so I use it twice in a day. I use it morning time and I also use it daytime. So I believe that is why I got results easily, so fast. So if you want to use this cream and if you want to see your results, you can use it morning and you can also use it at night time. In that way, you're going to get your results and you are not going to have any complications. Yes, there are some dark spot cream remover that you are going to apply on your face and it's going to worsen your condition, but with this you are good to go. And let me read everything that it has. So it said action: depending on the latest whitening and spot remover technology, it contains pure lactose acid and pigment clastic enzymes which can continuously break down melanin and fade out dark spots, with antioxidants, with vitamin E, with vitamin A acetate. It helps to protect skin cells from free radicals damage and speed up metabolism of the skin to renew and break down melanin. Meanwhile, it contains UVB, UVA, sunshade to protect from harmful rays, helps clear sunburn and stop breakouts. So this cream is very rich. Yes guys, this cream is very rich and I have used it before. That is why I am making this review. So this cream is very safe. This is it. It's going to tone your skin while you are trying to clear out your dark spot. So if you're facing any dark spots, try and get this. And it's kind of big here, but when you open it, it's very, very small. So it's very, very small inside. So this is how it came. So it's very little. This is how it came. So you just take a little and apply on your dark spot morning to night. Then you are going to see your results and it's not going to harm your skin like other ones. So guys, if you have dark spots, make sure to get one of these and it's going to help you out. So the other one that I also have here, this is Quick Clear Remover. Yes, this is a 7 days black spots, age spots, stretch mark eye cream remover. It works well. Yes, it works well, but it's harsh. This is very harsh. Like I said, guys, this other one is calm. It's not going to harm your skin, but this is kind of harsh. It works well. It's going to clear out those dark spots, but it's going to give you this kind of is a whitening face. Did you get it? It's going to give you a whitening face. So I use little from this. Yes, I use little from this, and my face become more whiter than my body, so I have to stop it. I have to stop it, and I got this one. Yes, so this one works very well, and you can also add it to your face cream. You can add it to your facial cream and apply it on your face morning to night. So but for this, I will recommend that you apply it just once in a day because it's kind of harsh. Yes, it's going to whiten your face. What you're looking for is something that will clear out your dark spot, not something that is going to whiten up your face, because your face is going to be whiter than your body. Even like here, your face is going to be whiter, and your neck, from your neck, is going to, it's going to remain the same. So I used this for 1 week or so, and my face became whiter than my body, so I stopped. And I think this is made in, I don't know, this is not a France product. I think this should be, let me see if, which company? Which country? There's nothing like country here. So this helps to clear, if you can see this. This is it. So it helps to, is an anti-facial face cream, anti-pimples face cream, black spots, eczema, eye cream remover, age spot, and stretch mark. So if you have one of these problems, you can try this. But if you notice that you're getting whiter, then you can stop it. Yes, if you notice that you're getting whiter, you can stop it. But normally it works fine. It removes, it does what it says it's going to do, but it gives you this whitish effect, which this does. This cream only gives you a tuning effect. Yes, this removes your dark spots and gives you this very brightening tuning effect, but this is going to whiten up your face. So you can choose between both of them, which one you prefer to use. But I bet you that this is more costly. Yes, this is more costly, and this is safe to use, but this is kind of harsh and this is cheap. So for both of them, you can go for the one that you want. So this is the one I used on my skin. I was using the Finish It because you just need a little and tap it wherever you have your spot. So you must not rub it everywhere, but if you wish to rub it all over your face, good for you. But for me, I would prefer you to use this to clear out your dark spots. But if you want to go for this quick clear, fine. And this is a 7 days, yeah, it will clear your face in just 7 days. So yeah, it will clear your face in just 7 days. And I think this is made from Nigeria International Limited. Yeah, I think this is made from Nigeria, and this is a France. This one is a France product. So I have used this too, and I can bet you that if you have dark spots and you want to treat your dark spots, you should go for this. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. I hope you find this interesting, and I hope you find this helpful. Yes, so that is it for today's video, and please guys, go and support my other new YouTube channel, because I will be doing more of reviews there. Yes, I'm going to be making reviews on products. Yes, finished product, not even my product, finished products. Yes guys, so make sure to turn up the notification bell when you subscribe, and catch you guys. Bye.